ሲት ቤልት እናድርግ በለኝ እስኪ።
You take seat belt?
You take seat belt. የት ነው የምወስደው? የት ነው የምወስደው? አድርግ በል።
Do seat belt?
Do seat belt አይደለም አይደለም አይደለም።
You put it in seat belt?
You can wear your seat belt or you can buckle up. በቃ ታለ በቃ buckle up በለስ
buckle up.
Very good. ፍታው በለኝ።
Unbuckle up?
Unbuckle up. That's what's up. That's what's up. That's what's up. ዚፑ ዝጋው በለኝ። አይ በለው እኮ ያልኩ። አሃ ስዘጋው ነው ይመጣል። ስዘጋው ነው ይመጣል። ኦኬ ኦልራይት
So where is the zip?
አይደለም ዚፕ በለኝ።
Zip?
ወዴት ነው?
Up.
አንበሳ በለው በለው።
Oh, zip up?
Exactly. Yeah. ስለዚህ ክፈተው በለኝ።
Zip down?
You don't zip down. You don't zip down. Buckle up. Unbuckle.
Oh.
Zip up.
Unzip up?
No up.
Unzip.
Unzip. Very good. Unzip. Very good. Unzip. ቆልፈው በለኝ እሺ። ቆልፈው በለኝ። ቁልፍ ነው እሺ።
I don't know.
Come on. ቁልፍ ምንድን ነው? ቁልፍ ምንድን ነው?
It's different from key.
Key. Keyማ. These are keys.
Yeah.
እቺ ስታያት ሊፍት ውስጥ የምትጫናት ነገር እንደዚህ ያለች፣ ስልክ ላይ የምንጫናት ነገር አለች። የምትጫናው ነገር ምንድን ነው የሚባለው? እንደዚህ ጫን የምንለው ነገር እንደዚህ ጫን የሚባል ነገር ምንድን ነው የሚባለው?
Press.
ፕሬስማ መጫን ነው። የምትጫነው ምንድን ነው? ይኸው አሁን ለምሳሌ እዚህ ላይ ምን አሉ? በለ አንበሳ። ናይስ። አያት ይችኛውና ይችኛዋ አንድ አይነት ናቸው አይደለ?
Yes.
ስለዚህ ቅድም በዚፕ ስለምንዘጋው ዚፕ አፕ አለን። አሁን ግን በዚች ስለምንዘጋት እቺ ደግሞ እቺ ስለሆነች ምን
በተናብ
Exactly, my man. Nice. Say it again.
በተናብ
ክፈተው በላይ
button down
and
and button up
መጨረሻ ላይ ምን ይቀራል?
and button up
በቀና አፕ ቀጥሎ አፕ እንተው because ስንከፍተው ወደ ታች ስለሆነ አንበተን አፕ ሳይሆን አንበተን በቃ that's it. አንበተን your shirt, right?
Yes.
እሺ አሁን 3 ቃል ሰጥቻለሁ። ከነሱ እናወራና ከዛ ስላንተ ደግሞ እናወራለን ማለት first seat belt ሲሆን እንደምትለው
and where?
No, buckle up, okay?
Buckle up.
Say it again.
Buckle up.
ከዛ በኋላ
unbuckle up.
መጨረሻ ላይ አን ስታስገባ አን እዚህ ጋር ከገባች አፕ ደግሞ እዚህ ጋር አትገባም። ኦኬ
ኦኬ።
እሱን ያዝ ለሁሉም። ናይስ። ድጋሚ እንጀምር።
buckle up.
Very good. Say it again.
unbuckle. buckle.
No.
buckle up.
Say it again.
buckle up.
በቃ እስኪ በደንብ ግን በለው። ኮንፊደንስ የለውም መሰለኝ። ምንድነው? buckle up.
unbuckle. buckle up. unbuckle.
Are you an Uber driver?
It's part-time work.
No, so like if you want to tell them that, okay, let's buckle up, guys. Buckle up. Nice. Kazas. Unbuckle.
Zip up. Unzip.
Very good. Done.
Tap up.
What are these? እነዚህ ምን ናቸው? በልኩክ
ታፕ
ምን ነበር እነዚህ? Say it again.
በተን አፕ
ከዛ
አንበተን.
Very good. Nice. Tell me about yourself. How long you've been living in America, right? What state you're in? How's life there? Tell me all that.
Yeah, life is so good so far. Just I came here 1 year ago. But my English is not good yet. That's the very problematic in America, by the way. It's
Mm-hmm.
down.
I got you. I got you. You mean you came to the surgeon, so I'll perform my surgery and help you out with your English. So far, you stayed here for 3 or 4 minutes, and I taught you how many words? 3 words that you're gonna remember permanently, right? So it starts from here. I got you. Don't worry about it. So, uh, you before you moved to America, where'd you live?
Uh, I live in. I was living Warab University.
Mm-hmm.
Just studied in law school 5 years.
Mm-hmm.
I was born in Gojam.
Mm-hmm.
After graduation 2024, after graduation within 1 month, I traveled to USA.
So from Gojam straight to USA.
No, Warab University graduated, then after to buy family, go to Gojam, then after travel to USA.
So from Gojam, from Warabe, I don't know where Warabe is, from Warabe to America, right?
Yes.
I think it's a big difference.
Why?
I'm, I'm, I'm because you're living in the biggest country in the world, and like compared to that big city, I think
Of
Warabe is
course,
small. So
of
that's why I'm
course,
saying it's a big difference. Why is a very good question. You
of
kind of
course.
confronted me with that one. All right, okay, all right. So what are the differences? What are the main differences?
Oh, the main difference. I like America, but
God bless America. Like,
yeah, I like America, but
what was
I
it,
like
Dave?
America. It's fluently speaking English. I like America at all.
But because of English right now, you like America a little
Yeah,
less. You're
a little bit
frustrated because of
less.
your
That's
English.
crazy. Just oh
I
my
got,
god.
I got. We'll work on that. Only English, right?
Yes, only English. I have potential. I have energy, but uh, I'm not speaking English fluently. Just
I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you. At least I'm gonna help you with one of their biggest mistakes. I like your confidence, by the way. You're a chill guy. The way you talk is relaxed. You got something big there. So I want to give you credit for it. Uh, Now my question: are you the same person in Warabe in America? Are you the same person?
no, it's different. Changing something like
All right. Like what?
confidence.
Your confidence is more now because
Yeah,
I live in America, man. You don't know me. Like,
or just communicate world people like some right now my living area not more Habasha.
uh-huh, uh-huh, uh-huh,
So my co-workers, Black American, something another countries.
uh-huh,
So just I be strong, like communicate that person every day.
uh-huh, 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 uh-huh. All right, so you're more confident. That's one. What else?
Yeah.
Like, have you changed your style?
I don't like change style because just I like to old style, just American style, something. I don't like that one. Just I wanted to change my personality, just mind set.
You want to work on your mindset. You don't care about what you look on the
Exactly,
exterior. All
exactly.
right. All right. But you said my style is old man style?
Yeah, I like man style, old man style.
Okay, let's start with that. Old man style ሳይሆን ሁለት አይነት ስታይሎች አሉ። ኦልድ መኒ እና ኒው መኒ የሚሏቸው አሉ። ኦኬ ኦልድ
Okay.
መኒ ማለት እንደማን መሰለህ? አሁን ለምሳሌ ማርክ ዘከርበርግ ፌስቡክ ምናምን ፋውንደሩ ካየኸው የሆነ ፕሌን የሆነ ግራ ያልተጋባበት ምናምን ስቲቭ ጆብስ አሉ አይደለ?
Yeah.
እንደሱ አይነት ስታይል ኦልድ ማን ስታይል ሳይሆን ኦልድ መኒ አይ ላይክ ኦልድ መኒ ስታይል ነው የሚባለው። ከዛን ጀምር
Okay. I
ኦልራይት
like old man style.
ኦልድ
Old man.
መኒ ኦልድ መኒ ኦልድ መኒ ኦልድ መኒ ማለት በቃ የድሮ ሀብታሞች እንደሚለብሱት ነው መልበስ የምፈልገው። ብዙ ጊዜ ሹራብ፣ ኮፍያ፣ የሆነ ፕሌን የሆነ ከለር ምናምን ነገር ሲሆን ኦልድ መኒ ነው። ኦልድ ማን ስታይል አይደለም። I
Old
like
man.
old man style. Why would you be like old man style? You'll get old man style when you get old. So this is old money style. Let's start with that, all right?
Okay.
ቀጥሎ Oh, እንግሊዝኛ ጋር what did you study in school? What did you graduate with?
Law school.
Law. You study law. Okay.
Yeah.
That's crazy. እስኪ በኮንፊደንስ አላወራም በለኝ እስኪ እንዴት ኢምስ ደረኩ አላውቅም። ለእኔ አይደለም ጋይስ ለእሱ ነው የምሰጡልኝ። እሺ come on man, I like this guy. Give him.
በኮንፊደንስ
አላወራም በለኝ።
I'm not speak confidently.
I'm not speak confidently. ይሄ ነገር ለምን ብዙ ሰዎች እንደሚሰሱት አላውቅም። I am not ማለት ነው ማመን እንዱቻ
እኔ ኮንፊደንስ
አይደለሁም ነው። ስለዚህ I am not speak ማለት እኔ መናገር አይደለሁም እያልክ ነው። come on man። ለምሳሌ 38,000 ሲባዛ በ39 ሲካፈል ለ43 አላውቅም በለኝ።
I don't know.
አልጨነቅም በለኝ።
I don't know stress.
good አያገባኝም በለኝ።
I don't mind.
nice አልናገርም በለኝ።
I don't speak.
ለምን ነው እዚህ ጋር ሲሆን ክልትፍ ያደረገ በዛው ቀጥል። አያገባኝም በለኝ። care
I don't care.
አላውቅም በለኝ።
I don't know.
አልናገርም በለኝ።
I don't speak.
ለምንድን ነው እዚህ ጋር ሲሆን አይ ነው የምትለኝ? መጀመሪያ ላይ የምትላቸውን ነገሮች ያያቸው። አያገባኝም በለኝ። care
I don't care.
ሶስቱንም ያያቸው። I don't care. okay I don't care አይደል? አላውቅም በለኝ።
I don't know.
I don't know no አይደል? አልናገርም በለኝ። እዚህ ጋር ሲሆን ያዘረጋል። እንዳይዝ አይዞ I am not ለምንድን ነው አምኖት የምትለኝ? እንዱ ለመለስ የመጀመሪያ ጊዜ ኦኬ አላውቅም በለኝ።
I don't know.
I don't ሚለውን ያዘው።
ኦኬ
እሺ ናይስ I don't አልጨነቅም በለኝ። care
I don't care.
I don't care good nice አልናገርም በለኝ። ኖት አይደለም ያልኩት።
I don't
መናገር
speak.
exactly everybody we have a great success right now. give it up for Indu. እስኪ 40 ዋስጡልኝ this is a milestone. come on let's go this is how you teach. let's go okay come on let's go አሁን ትልቅ ነገር ነው ማስጨበጥክ ቤዚክ የሆነ ነገር ማለት ነው አንተ ባለበት let's go let's make it fitty so ብለሃተል ራስህ ካልካት አሁን ራስህ ካልካት ናይስ አልናገርም በለኝ።
I don't speak.
ናይስ አላበስልም በለኝ።
I don't cook.
very good nice I don't cook. አላነብም በለኝ።
I have one question for you.
okay
most of the time I am confused these two words. I am not
no.
and I don't I am something.
I got you very simple. I am not እና I don't መጀመሪያ I am እና I አለ ከዛ I don't እና I am not አለ። I am not ማለት አይደለሁም ማለት ነው። አይደለሁም አሁን ሪድ ብናስገባ I am not read ማንበብ አይደለሁም ይባላል አይባልም። ስለዚህ I don't ታደርጋለህ። I don't ማለት ደግሞ አላደርግም ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ I don't read ስትል አላነብም የሚለው ጋር ይመጣል ማለት ነው። አላደርግም ስትል I don't ትላለህ። አይደለሁም ስትል I am not ትላለህ። ገብቶሃል?
በቃ እኔ ያልኮንኩትን ነገር ነው I am not ምለው
ያልኮንከውን ነገር I am not ትላለህ። የማታደርገውን ነገር I don't ትላለህ። ገብቶሃል? ይሄን ፈትኜክ ነው የምንለያየው።
ኦኬ
እሺ አልነዳም በለኝ።
I don't drive.
አንበሳ ነጂ አይደለሁም በለኝ።
I am not driver.
አንበሳ good አላስተምርም በለኝ። teach
I don't teach.
ኧረ በለው እኔ አስተማሪ አይደለሁም በለኝ።
I am not a teacher.
ኧረ በለው በቃ ገብቷል። በጣም ገብቷል። አሁን ትልቅ የሆነ እንቅፋት የሆነ ነገር ነው። ብዙ ሰዎች ይመጡና እስኪ አልተረዳውም ብለኝ እስኪ አንደርስታንድ እኔ እስኪ
I'm not understand. I don't understand.
አይ ዶንት አንደርስታንድ ነው። በሺ ሰው ነው የመጣ አም ኖት አንደርስታንድ መረዳት አይደለሁም የሚሉኝ አይ ዶንት አንደርስታንድ ጉድ አልስማማም ብለኝ አግሪ
I don't know agree.
አይ ዶንት አግሪ እባክህን እንዳረሰው ይህን ካስተካከልክ ማለት ነው አስበር ቃል አሁን በዚች ነው ደቂቃ ብቻ እንግሊዝኛ ከ10% አፕግሬድ ታደርጋለች እቺን ብቻ ካስተካከልክ ማለት ነው ኦኬ So this is basic problem. I got you. I'm not agree problem. I don't know. በቃ ሁለቱም በደንብ ለየልኝ ማለት ነው። So you said you've been living in UK for a year, right?
Yes,
So
one.
before that, how was your life like in Ethiopia? What did you do for work, and why did you seek refuge in UK?
I've been working as like electrical technician, mobile technician.
Mhm.
And, yeah, I just went. I don't know how to say. I just came to UK for better life. That's all.
What are your hobbies?
I like to code, like on computer. Yeah, those things.
All right, that's your hobby.
Yeah, I like to code, and I like to read like technology and scientific fictions like that.
All right. So whenever you have free time, that's what you do. You don't go out for a walk. You don't read books. You don't play soccer. You just sit on your computer and start coding.
Yeah, I don't like to play football or something like that.
That's good. All right. Now I'm going to give you the chance to speak for 2 minutes so I can assess your English and tell you what you can work on. All right. So you said you've been living in UK for a year. Tell me 3 good sides, right? 3 upsides and 3 downsides of living in UK for 2 minutes. Right now it's 41, right? So until it's 42, I'll give you a time. Think about it. When it's 3:42, you can start speaking. All right, for 2 minutes only.
Okay.
Think. I'll tell you when to start. It's okay. Think.
Upsides and downsides.
Yeah, 3 negative sides, 3 positive sides of living in UK. I'll say go. When I say go, you go. All right, guys, make sure you tap up the screen. Till then, make sure. Let's go.
The upsides, the government is good especially for the immigrants, and even the people are good, and the economy is stable. The second one, and everything is easy to live and to access here. Those are good things that I've been experienced since I came here. And the downsides are the weather. It's very, very bad weather. And I just see that's the downside only. I like everything. Yeah. And
You're supposed to speak for 2 minutes. You barely spoke for a minute. Come on, man. Keep it going. Guys, copy link, please. እዚህ ጋር ምን ያህል መሰላችሁ? consuming substance featured in live ምናምን ይህን እስክሪፕቶ እንደዚህ ሳደርገው ሲጃራ መስሏቸው ነው መሰለኝ። So copy link አድርጉልኝ ባካችሁን። Let's go.
And downsides are another thing. May it's difficult for immigrants because there are some racist people in this country. So may you can experience like bad things, and some guys may insult you or such kind of things because of you are black or because of that things. Yeah. And another thing is the accent is very difficult to. It's not like American English, especially when you go to like Scotland and Irish, Ireland. It's difficult to communicate with those people because of their accents and the way they speak, and even the slang is different from Manchester to Liverpool. They speak different kind of techniques. Yeah.
All right. Okay. You tried. You tried. Okay. When it comes to your English, what are your insecurities? Do you have problem with your pronunciation, guys? Not for me. Please. Thank you. I really appreciate all the gifts. Again, gift to Chimsatacho and Isao. Let me get Willie Sawashnoshi. So when it comes to your English, do you struggle with pronunciation? Is it vocabulary or grammar? Where do you think is your shortcoming?
I think the grammar and I'm not fluent. I can speak. I know words. I can listen nicely, but it's difficult to talk, to speak, and maybe my accent. Yeah.
Okay, you know what I observed? You're okay. You're good. You're all right. But when I see you, you're stressed. You know, you're just speaking so formal. I don't think you're relaxed. The moment you came to me, you're supposed to be, hey, Abby, how you doing? I'm a huge fan, by the way. Huge fan, right? I've been following you for 3 years. Really? Yeah, like the conversation would flow with ease. But you came and you said, hey, Abby, I've been following you for 3 years. I'm a big fan. And I'm like, okay, like, I can't feel words by themselves. They're nothing. The way you speak, your intonation, how up and down, like it goes, that's what gives me your emotion. Like we use words to express how we feel, right? But there are two things that come in play. First one is your words. Second one is your intonation. You know what intonation is? Your rhythm,
Yeah.
right? So that's missing. And it tells me that you're not relaxed. That's the only thing I see.
Okay.
Let me talk to you about something else and maybe that could change. Relax, all right? Do you have a girlfriend?
Yes, I have.
Yeah, okay. All right. Tell me where you met your girlfriend and how you convinced her or how she convinced you to be yours. But relax. በጣም relaxed ሁን። እንደዚህ ሆነ እንደዛ ሆነ በድርቀው እንዳነገረኝ ኦኬ። ይገርምሃል እንደዚህ ሆነው እንደዛ ነው እና እንዲሁ ብዬ ራሱ አላሰብኩም ነበር። ከዛ እንደዚህ ሆኖ እንደዛ ሆኖ connecting phrases ያስክ ቀጥልኝ። Let's go.
Actually, I meet her through social media,
Mm-hmm.
and she's from my area. The place I used to live in Ethiopia, and actually we are now in long distance relationship, but we communicate every day, we chat every day. That's how it's going on now.
Okay, still a bit reserved, but okay, nice. Actually, tell me everything you did yesterday. Let me just taste your grammar. You're on a dry, you're on topic. What time is it for you right now?
It's now 12
Hmm?
or 7. Only 3 hours different from
Only
Ethiopia.
3 hours difference. All right, all right. Okay, tell me everything you did from morning till now.
Today I am off from work. Just I've been sleeping and I just cook and I'm trying to make a
Past የተጠቀምክ past tense የተጠቀምክ እንደዚህ ያደረግኩኝ ከዛ እንደዚህ ያደረግኩኝ ያልክ መጀመሪያ ተነሳው ምናምን ያልክ ቤዚክ ነገሮችን ንገረኝ።
I just cook my breakfast and I'm just trying to make coffee and
እስኪ እኔ ምልን እሺ ንበለኝ ተነሳው በለኝ
I just wake up,
ቡና ፈላው በለኝ
make a coffee.
ነው ወደ ፓስት የቀየርካቸው ማመን ሚሶ ወደ
Made
ፓስት ኤግዛክትሊ ሶ ተነሳው በለኝ
I waked up.
አይ ዌክድ አፕ አይባልም ሚሶ
Okay.
ትንሽ አስተካክላት እንዳታያቸው ኮመንት እንዳታነብ
Waked አይባልም
ዌክድ አይባል
I don't know how to say that.
እሺ ያው አሁን እሺ ኮመንት ማንበብ ትችላለህ ምን እያሉ ነው
I woke up.
ናይስ አይመስልም
Yeah.
ይመስላል
Yeah.
I woke up right nice እሺ ሶ ተነሳው በለኝ
I woke up.
ምን ማለት ነው
ተነሳው ነቃው
ተነሳው አክቹሊ ሳይሆን ነቃው ነው። ተነሳው ሲሆን አይ ጋት አፕ ነው የሚሆነው አይደል? አይ ጋት አፕ ተነሳው ነው ራይት። ሶ ተነሳው ብለኝ እስኪ።
I got up.
ነቃው ብለኝ።
I woke up.
ሂዝ ዎክ ብል ለማለት ፈልጌ ነው።
ንቁ ነው ነቅቷል።
ግን ባይ ዘ ዌይ ሂዝ ዎክ ስል ማለት ከእንቅልፍ ነቅቷል እያልኩኝ ነው።
በቃ ንቁ ነው
የገባው ነው፣ በአእምሮ የገባው ነው። ከሰዎች አንድ ስቴፕ ከፍ ያለ ነው ለማስፈልግ ሂዝ ዎክ ብለህ መጠቀም ትችላለህ ራይት። ከዛ ውጭ ግን ኤይ ማን ጌት አፕ ስልክ ዌክ አፕ ስል ነቅቻለሁ ለማስፈልግ ምንድን ነው የምትለው? ይሄን ከመለስክልኝ 1 ወር ነፃ ኮርስ እሰጥሃለሁ። እንዳታነቡ እንዳትነግሩት ምንም ጎ 3 ሰከንድ አለ። የተለያየ መልስ ሌላ መልስ ሌላ መልስ እሺ ሌላ መልስ መቼም ስለሱ ጋይስ ካም ኦን ሌላ መልስ ነው ሰለስ ግራ አጋውት ተነሳ አልኩ። ዌክ አፕ አልኩኝ። ተነስቻለሁ በለኝ። ሌትስ ጎ 1 ወር በነፃ ሌትስ ጎ አይደለም አይ አም ዌክ አፕ ማ እኔ መንቃት ነኝ ያልክ ነው። ኖ እናንተ ታስፎግራላችሁ እንዴ? በቃ ተውት። አም አዌክ ነው የምትለው። አም አዌክ እስኪ በለው። ናይስ። እኔን እስኪ ነቅተሃል በለኝ። አር ዩ
awake?
Very good. እስኪ ነቅቻለሁ በለኝ።
I'm awake.
ተነቅተሃል በለኝ።
Do you awake?
No, I am ካልክ ዩ ስትል ዩ አር ነው እንጂ የምትለው ዱ ዩ አይደለም የምትለው። ዱ ዩ ማለት ታደርጋለህ ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ዱ ዩ ኢት ዱ ዩ ስሊፕ ምናምን ነው። ሶ አይ አም ካልክ እኔ ጋር ሲሆን ዩ አር ነው ማለት ያለብህ። ነቅቻለሁ በለኝ።
I'm awake.
እኔ ነቅተሃል በለኝ።
Are you awake?
ተኝተሃል በለኝ።
Do you sleep?
Are you
asleep?
ስሊፕ ላይ ከፊቱ ኤ ጨምርበት።
Are you asleep?
Are you asleep? እንደዛ ነው የሚባል። ይሄን እኮ ነው የምልህ። ይኸው ላንፊትህ እንደዚህ ያለች ይባላል እንዴ ነገር እንደዚህ asleep የሚባል ነገር አለ እንዴ ምናምን ነገር የሚል ነገር አለ። Of course አለ. And that's why you need us, you know, like we'll introduce you to a lot of words like this. You don't say, are you sleeping? Are you asleep? I'm asleep. All right. Actually, you can't say I'm asleep because you'd be sleeping. So he's asleep. He is asleep. All right. እንቅልፍ ውስጥ ነው እያልክ ነው። He is awake. ነቅቷል እያልክ ነው። Overall, you're okay. ግን ትንሽ ቴክኒካል የሆኑት ቤዚክ የሚባሉት ነገሮች ላይ ወጥረ ብሰራ ለምሳሌ ፓስት ላይ ምናምን ያሉት ነገሮች is going to take you miles እና ስታወራ ትንሽ ሪላክስድ ብትሆን ፍሬዞች አሉ ከአንድ አይዲያ ትራንዚሽናል ፍሬዝስ ነው በሚገርም ሁኔታ የሚያስቀው እኔ ይገርማል ማን ይገምት ነበር ምናምን አሉ እንደዚህ ናቹራል ለማድረግ እነዛ ቢሆን አሪፍ ነው። If you have the time, we can hook you up with one of our best teachers. We have great curriculum. I designed it myself. ካለበት ቦታ ኦንላይን አማር ትችላለህ ማለት ነው።